When you look for the best electric guitars for rhythm playing, everything seems to be just a blur of similar features and flashy designs. The truth is, the real differences lie deeper than what you see on the surface. Let's sift through the noise and find the guitars that truly shine for rhythm. Product number 1. Fender Squier Debut Series Stratocaster. First up is the Fender Squier Debut Series Stratocaster, priced at $149.99. What caught my attention is its sleek design and the promise of being a solid choice for beginners. If you want a reliable electric guitar that's easy to play, this is worth a serious look. The Squier Debut Series Stratocaster has a lightweight poplar body and a comfortable C-shaped neck, which means you can play for hours without feeling fatigued. It features 3 single-coil pickups with a 5-way switch, allowing you to explore various strat tones. This is perfect for rhythm playing as it offers a nice range, from bright and clean to warm and full. Plus, it comes with a 30-day subscription to Fender Play, giving you access to thousands of lessons and instructional videos. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having structured lessons can dramatically speed up your learning process, especially if you're just starting. Now, some people have complained about the quality of the tuning pegs. Here's the thing though, while they may not be top tier, for a beginner guitar, they hold up quite well and are easy to replace if needed. This is perfect for you if you're a new player eager to dive into rhythm guitar. Skip this one if you're an advanced player looking for professional level features. At this price point, the value is impressive. Now, if the Squier's beginner focus isn't your style, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ernie Ball Super Slinky Electric Guitar Strings. Next up, we have the Ernie Ball Super Slinky Nickel Wound Electric Guitar Strings, priced at just $8.99. These strings are a favorite among legends like Slash and Metallica, and for good reason. If you want strings that enhance your rhythm playing effortlessly, these are definitely worth considering. These super slinky strings are known for their bright and balanced tone, which is critical for rhythm guitar where clarity matters. The gauge of 9 to 42 means they're light enough to bend easily, but still provide enough body and depth. Plus, the Element Shield packaging keeps them fresh longer, so you won't be changing strings every few days. Here's why this matters. Fresh strings can dramatically improve your sound and playability, and no one wants a dull tone while jamming. Now, some users have mentioned that they can wear out faster than expected. But honestly, that's a trade-off for the tone and playability you get. If you're regularly gigging, you'll probably want to change strings often anyway. This is perfect for you if you're looking for vibrant tone and easy playability. Skip this one if you prefer heavier gauges or want something more durable. The quality you get for the price is hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to learn. Product number 3, Hal Leonard Guitar Method Book 1. Coming in at just $4.79, we have the Hal Leonard Guitar Method Book 1. This book has been a trusted resource for beginners for years, and for good reason. If you're serious about learning rhythm guitar, this book is a must-have. What's great about this book is that it covers everything from basic chords to rhythm patterns and strumming techniques. It's structured in a way that builds your skills gradually, making it less overwhelming for new players. Each lesson is reinforced with practical examples, and you'll be playing recognizable tunes in no time. This is exactly what you need, as it provides a clear path to understanding the guitar, especially for rhythm playing. Now, some people feel that the content can be a bit simplistic. Here's my take. While it may not cover advanced techniques, it's perfect for getting the basics down pat, which is crucial for any musician. This is perfect for you if you're just starting and want a solid foundation. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced techniques right off the bat. For the price, it's a fantastic investment in your musical journey. Now, if you're looking to spice things up with effects, the next product is right up your alley. Product number 4, Zoom G1X4 Guitar Multi-Effects Processor at $119.99. The Zoom G1X4 is next on our list. This multi-effect processor caught my eye because of its versatility and the ability to experiment with sounds. If you want to enhance your rhythm playing with effects, this one is worth a look. With 71 effects and 13 amp models, you can create a vast array of sounds, perfect for rhythm guitarists looking to add some flair to their playing. The built-in 30-second looper lets you layer riffs, which is incredibly useful for practicing or songwriting. Additionally, the 68 built-in rhythm patterns act as your personal backing band, keeping you in time and making practice more fun. Here's why this matters. Having a looper and rhythm patterns at your disposal can keep your practice sessions engaging and help you develop your timing. Some users have noted that it can be a bit complex to navigate at first. I get that. It might take some time to get used to all the features. But once you do, the creative possibilities are endless. This is perfect for you if you enjoy experimenting with sound and want to enhance your rhythm skills. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward pedal without added complexity. For the price, it offers tremendous value and creativity. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more classic, the last product might be just what you need. Product number 5, D'Addario Electric Guitar Strings XL Nickel. Finally, we have the D'Addario Electric Guitar Strings XL Nickel, priced at $15.99 for a pack of 3 sets. Known for their quality, these strings are a solid choice for rhythm players. If you want strings that offer both durability and tone, check these out. Featuring a medium gauge of 11 to 49, these strings provide a bright and versatile tone, making them suitable for various genres. The proprietary hex core construction ensures perfect intonation and a consistent feel, which is essential for rhythm playing where timing is key. Plus, you can register the packaging to earn rewards points. Here's why this matters. Having reliable strings helps maintain your sound quality, especially when you're performing or recording. Now, some players have mentioned they can feel a bit stiff compared to lighter strings. But honestly, that stiffness can also help with the overall tone and control, especially when strumming. This is perfect for you if you want reliable strings that perform well across different genres. Skip this one if you prefer lighter gauges for easier bends. The value for 3 sets is fantastic, so you won't be disappointed. In conclusion, all 5 products we covered today have unique strengths for rhythm guitarists. Whether you're a beginner, looking for quality strings, or wanting to explore effects, there's something here for everyone. To wrap it up, the Fender Squier Debut Series Stratocaster is fantastic for beginners, while the Ernie Ball Super Slinky strings offer great tone. The Hal Leonard Method book is essential for foundational learning. The Zoom G1X4 adds creative effects, and the D'Addario strings ensure durability and sound quality. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your rhythm journey best.